Happy Halloween, everyone. I'm doing another trick-or-treat Halloween event. It is October 31st, 2016. Halloween night.
The original background music is copyrighted, so I had to lower the volume. This event was at one of my schools. I had a fog machine, and I decorated the hallway like a haunted house. I sat in the dark waiting for my unsuspecting students.
They got it.
My students brought their family and one friend for this event. Since I was the only one giving out treats on Halloween night, I made sure that I stuffed their bags with lots of treats. Halloween has gotten very popular in Japan over the years, and a lot of the parents and children want to know what Halloween is like.
Trick or treat. Thank you.
This event turned out to be a photo moment.
Okay, thank you.
By the way, this was a 2-hour event from 6 to 8. You're going to see me talking to a walkie-talkie because I left the other one outside for the students to hear me. Then after that, it's just a waiting game. You can't see it, but there's a black curtain before this camera. That's where I kept the treats.
Come here.
I had told my students to come to my place with a costume. If they did, they get double the treats. By the way, I was the only person doing this hard work that night. I decorated the whole place. I gave out treats. I scared kids. Whew.
Come here, you.
The main thing is that I was able to give the Halloween experience to some of my students.
Scaring them.
Now for the next school.
Tonight, in about 5 minutes. Stay tuned.
This was still on October 31st, 2016. I was at my other school, and I started at 7 p.m. until 9 p.m. Then all of a sudden, a bunch of kids came in. More and more kids came at the same time, and I was doing all this alone. As you can see, the kids waiting at the entrance. Here in Japan, it's called a genkan. It's a platform above the main floor, and that's where you're supposed to take off your shoes before you enter the house or school. Japanese students know that they have to stop at the entryway. That's just built into them. It's part of the custom. I would take each of the bags behind the curtain, and I would fill each bag with candy if they came in costume. It was exhausting, and I was trying to keep in character. Also, every now and then you'll get a clown who wants more, or they want to do something stupid. Just say, "It's time to go, it's time to go, time to go home." As you can see, more and more kids came, and I was really tired at this point. I vowed never to do this event alone again. I didn't even have a chance to eat. I wasn't counting heads that night, but it really felt like there were more than 200 people there. You can see these boys didn't want to go. Finally, they left after me telling them to leave. And smaller kids came in. They had to confirm what to say with their siblings or friends. As you can see, it seemed like there was no end. There were more people at my second school than at my first school. As you can see here, another batch of kids came in, a little older, but a lot more. It was a good thing that I spent at least Niman on candies. And every now and then I had to run back to get the fog machine going. I couldn't believe it, but there were still kids hanging around till close to 9. Anyway, guys, this is it for this video. I just wanted to show you what I did for my Halloween event. Thanks for watching, and happy Halloween.